Yeah, hello guys. Today I will tell you how to order charts on Transys Wärtsilä. See, this is the Transys Wärtsilä I am using. This is the display of the normal Transys Wärtsilä. Now we will go how to order charts. First you have to make your route. See, this I have made a route from. I am going from Latvia to Tallinn. So I have already prepared the route. You can see my route here. If I zoom out, you can see. You can see the route I have made from Latvia, Liepāja to Tallinn, UK. So now we will quickly go how to order charts. First we have to see, you can see these two panels, ACDIS and NPL. You just have to go and click on this NPL. Once you click on the NPL, it will go to the navigation planner mode, where you can manage your charts folio, and you can order charts, upload charts, update charts. You can order publications. In Transys Wärtsilä, everything can be done online, so there will be it will not take much time like in other ACDISes where you have to use e-navigators and other system. It is directly connected to internet. You just have to click and your charts will get updated. Now the page is open. It takes quite time because too much of data is there. You can see the panel has been opened. Now normally in Transys Wärtsilä, it takes time to download the data, download all the charts on the system. So it takes hardly 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that. So you can see now these icons are not coming clearly because still it is uploading. So you can see uploading charts to ACDIS on right side. So you have to wait for some time so that these icons will become visible to you, so that you can use it for a reference. So we will wait for a time like for 2 to 3 minutes. Yeah, hello. Now you can see these icons are visible. You can see general, navigation, data. It is still uploading, preparing to work. So first of all, for ordering charts, we have to first load the route. Here you can see already the route has been loaded, Hamburg to Latvia. So I have to load the route from Latvia to Tallinn. So it is very simple. It is taking time because it is still uploading. So we have to wait for some more time so that it will upload all the charts. We'll just wait. So now we have waited for around 3 to 4 minutes. So now you can see these options are coming like load and delete. So we can see already the Hamburg to Latvia road is loaded over here because I was using this route to upload charts. It is automatically updating once you go to the NPL mode. So we have to wait for some time, let this icon get finished on its own because it is connected with the internet. So it is online updating automatically on its own. My video is you can see my video is for shorter time, but actually I am pausing it. It takes time for the system to upload and order and update charts, so please don't go by the time of this video. You have to wait and be patient. It will get updated soon. I am pausing my video because it is taking time. So now our ACDIS is ready to order charts. First we have to go to delete. We will go to we have to go to delete. Now when we go to delete, we have to delete this route which is already there from the slot, because we have to select the other route which we have made. So we will delete this route. Yes. Now we will load the new route which we have made from Latvia to If you did not find your route in recent routes, you go to all routes. When you select all routes, you can see the routes which I have already made here. You can select your route which you want. It's Latvia to Tallinn. You can see. You select this route. If you go to, you just have to select. Once you select, you can see the route has already been uploaded here. Now the first part is the general part, where you have seen you have uploaded the route Latvia to Tallinn. Schedule 1 is this schedule 1, this is schedule 2. Now this is voyage number 1 schedule 1. Now the third part is the nav data, from where you have to order your charts. You will go to order nav data. Now you can see when you have ordered a new route, it is showing not installed, not installed, not installed, because we do not have charts for this area. So after this we will you can see there are two icons, get data and nav data. You have to select to get data. Once you select to get data, the system will start taking the charts automatically. The charts which we have made for the new route, it will automatically take the charts, and you can see download size 3.17, get online. Since we are connected to internet, so we can download directly this chart from using get online option. So now here I will press get online. Once you press get online, it will start request processing. You can see. See, now you can see here charts and updates. It is showing sending 14 minutes left. This is how the charts will start getting installed on your system online directly. You can see the green is the progress of the charts which is being coming into the system. It will take around 15 minutes to download all the charts into the system. So I will be pausing my video, and I will let you know once the chart will come. When all the charts will be loaded, I will come back to you. Just hold on. Yeah, hello. Once the system is taking all the charts successfully, it will be showing like this, acknowledged. So this has to come like this. If it is not coming like this, then there will be a problem in between ordering charts and receiving. So now we are in progress of receiving charts. You can see it is acknowledged and it is coming. In the same way, you can download your you can upload your ADPs and ANPs also from this is the same way. I'll also tell you how to order ADPs and ANPs also in my next video. In this video I'll only tell you how to order charts. So just hold on, it will take some more time. So guys, I'm back now. You can see the charts has been ordered, which I have already ordered has been updated into the system. You can see the chart the new charts which are installed for the voyage from Latvia to Tyne. The window will come like this, which will show the license install and all the charts which we have which are needed for the next voyage from Latvia to Tyne is already you can see the name. And so guys, how do you like my video? Please like my video, and if you want more, I can put some more videos like how to install ADPs and ANPs also. Thank you very much. Bye.